Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a good old-fashioned power hour. I know you guys love these videos, so I am busting out all of my summertime cleaning videos this week before school gets back in. Today's video is in collaboration with Jessica from Keep Calm and Clean. If you guys are coming over from Jessica's channel, hello, my name is Lynn and I am a mama of 5. We have similar content on our channels. I do all cooking and cleaning, DIY decor, hauls, crafts, anything that has to do with mommyhood. So I hope you guys would consider sticking around with me. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I would love to have you join me on this journey. And all of my regular friends, make sure you go and check out Jessica's channel. You are going to love her, and let her know we sent you. So let's get started. So I am starting this power hour at 3 o'clock, and I will see you in an hour. So I'm going to start this power hour starting off with 1 load of laundry. I'm going to go ahead and start this process. I like to do this before I start cleaning. That way, by the time I'm getting to the end, I can transfer over. You'll see here, I'm starting to tidy up the top of the washer and dryer. I just did a laundry video, and I will tag that above. But this is something that needs to be tackled constantly because it's just a catch-all. Now I'm going to tackle my kitchen. We just had family leave. We had a little play date with the cousins, and we went to a bounce house and had some fun as we finish up summer here. So we had pizza for all the kiddos, and I had some yummy Thai food. What is y'all's favorite food? I love Chinese and Thai food. My stomach doesn't always handle it so well, but ooh, and here's my Starbucks, guys. You know how I do with my Starbucks. I got that on Sunday, and I am still drinking it. Remember, no ice when you get your iced lattes, and they last in the refrigerator for a good amount of time. If I'm going to pay $5.94 for a drink, my goodness, it better last me. There's my sweet sidekick right there, Miss Ruby, the star of the show, watching me and hoping, just hoping that I put something in the dishwasher that has food left on it so she can get a little lick, but not today, sweet girl. I'm going to be using my Method antibacterial spray for the countertops. I don't worry about using the granite spray until the evening, but throughout the day when I'm tidying up the kitchen, this is what I like to use, especially around the sink. I'm using my favorite little microfiber rags that I've been raving about, you guys, and I'm also going to scrub down the sink just a little bit. I like to do this every time I wash dishes just to make sure no food particles are left behind. So I don't want to mop the whole floor today because it is the middle of the day and that would just not be feasible with all these little boys. So I'm just going to spot clean. I noticed there was some Nutella on the floor, and I'm going to scrub that up. I just love these rags here, honestly, because it comes right up. And don't worry, I'm not going to use this back on my countertop, so no one needs to tell me, but I will wipe down the dishwasher real quick. Now I'm going to tackle the boys' backpacks that have been left in the hallway. I've been getting everything ready for back to school. So a part of my power hour is just also picking up. It's not necessarily a deep clean, but it's just tackling the house to make it look presentable before my husband gets home. So you'll see me just picking up a little bit here, and that is what you guys can kind of keep in mind when you are doing a power hour. You don't have to kill yourself by going super fast. It can be a speed clean, but it's also just trying to tackle as many spaces in that 1 hour, and that is what I'm doing. I'm just picking up because I really like for my husband to come home to a clean home. or just a picked up house, I hate coming home to a mess. I like to clean before I leave, and I also want him to walk into a nice clean space as well. Now I'm going to pick up my office. I like to keep the front of the house as clean as possible, just so if we have visitors, it's not such a mess. And I want to apologize for the lighting as well. It's an overcast day here, so that's why it's kind of gloomy. My sister brought over some books and some games that were donated to her, so that has been sitting on my table for about 2 days, and I am finally ready to get rid of some of it or just find a home for it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm sorting through some of these goodies here and seeing what's going to stay and what's going to go. I am trying to figure out what I want to do, if I want to leave the fruit on the table or if I want to put it back on the countertop. Now I'm going to give the table a good cleaning. I'm using the Method glass cleaner here, and I am going to get all of the gunk off of it. And you'll see I start to scrub a little bit because my kiddos are painting on it and I'm trying to get it off. Today I wanted to try to use the cloth instead of the paper towels because, you know, honestly, if I can save a tree, then that's what I'm going to try to do. But it actually worked very well. It did not smear or leave any streaks, so I was pleasantly surprised. I'm going to clean up any of the crumbs that got on the floor or on the bench. This is something I need to do so many times a day. So I love this little vacuum here. It just gets the job done, and it's super lightweight, and it has been a lifesaver, honestly. As you can see here, Noah has to tell me something very important, so I had to stop what I was doing to make sure I was listening to him. I always like to make sure I get this little rug here because since it's in the front of the house, it really gets dirty. So I want to make sure I vacuum this rug regularly. And also I need to do over here at the bar stools. My kiddos eat up here more times than they do at the table. So this is a catch-all for so many crumbs. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like. Now I'm going to get the living room carpet. I love having this jute rug under it. I got it at Home Depot for about 60 bucks, and I love it because nothing really settles in it, and I love having the other carpet on top, and I feel like it's so much easier to clean than my shag carpet that I had. Now over here, I am going to kind of shake out the curtains. I like to do this at least once a week, and it just gets some of the extra dust off of them. I don't wash my curtains because I'm honestly scared that it'll mess it up, so I will just do this to get all of the dust and the allergens out of it. Now I'm using my trusty pledge over here for this little table. I got this table from Wayfair, and I searched a long time to find the perfect one, and I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful, and it's solid wood, so I know it's going to last for many, many years. As I've gotten older, I have found more joy in finding quality pieces, and I just absolutely love it. And whenever I give it a good cleaning and shine, it is just like it's brand new all over again. And then that mirror, I love it because that was what our wedding cake was on. Now onto the mantle. I'm going to use that same pledge, and I'm just going to wipe down the glass jar here. I got it from Home Goods, and I'm going to also wipe down all the picture frames and knickknacks in this area. I'm about to redo this whole area. obviously when fall comes, I'm so excited for fall, y'all. I'm gonna make it look really festive and everything. I'm thinking about making that little area right there with the 2 stained glass antique windows. I'm thinking about taking that completely out and making a faux fireplace. I actually had this mantle built, and I have the opening left there because my plan is to put a fireplace in. I'm from Tennessee, and I just love a fireplace. I just cannot help it. I love it, and here in Florida you don't really get it, nor do you even need it, but this southern girl needs it. So that is my goal for this year, and if I can't get a fireplace put in there sooner than later, then I am just going to make it into a faux fireplace. I'm going to put some brick in there, and then just add some lanterns to make it really beautiful. Tell me what you guys think of that idea. I absolutely love DIYs and crafts, as you guys know if you guys are regulars on my channel, and that's something I definitely will document doing, and I think it'd be so pretty to have it all lit up for the holidays. Now while I'm dusting, I'm going to go ahead and do this little nook here right in front of our bedroom and wipe down the picture frames. I am going to move this clock until my husband can help me fix the wall and put it back up. I'm going to dust the entryway here. It definitely needed it. It's amazing that you can dust every week, and you could probably I could probably do it more. It just gets so dusty. Maybe it's because there's so many people in the house. I don't know. There is that beautiful vase. You remember that in the thrift store haul? I will link that above. I love it, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I put some hydrangeas in it, and I will definitely decorate it for the seasons. I'm debating on those lamps there. I actually distressed those. They were a oil rubbed bronze, and I made them white. So let me know what you think if I should maybe get rid of those. Now in the bathroom, I was noticing it was looking pretty dark, so I got some light in here. And the Lord said, let there be light, and it is coming. Here it is, and it is so much brighter. Honestly, I was hating this bathroom and filming it because I thought it always showed so dark on film, but it was just that it needed light bulbs, and it finally clicked. So now it's looking so much better. I'm going to give the countertops a good wipe down. I did not need to do my bathroom today because I had already done it the night before, and it looked fine. It was not messy, so I did not need to include that in my power hour today, thank goodness. So I'm just going to give it a good wipe down, get all the toothpaste cleaned up, and just make it look nice. I need to keep this bathroom in tip-top shape because if we have visitors, this is where they're going. So now I'm going to clean the toilet. I just use my regular old Clorox toilet bowl cleaner or my Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. I have never used anything else. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite way to clean the toilet. I'm going to give it a good cleaning. I'm also going to use the PDI wipes, but when I use them to wipe down the toilet, I'm going to protect my hands by using the rag because I'm already done with the rag, and that way I don't have to put gloves on my hands. Now I am done with the bathroom. This was the final room in the house that I needed to do. I'm going to put all of the products away, and I'm going to spray the handles and the doorknobs, the light switches, and some of the areas around the bathroom with some Lysol spray, just so you know, as an extra precaution, especially with school coming back in. We want to keep the germs away. Okay guys, it is 4:01. Sorry for the glare. It is 4:01. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys are new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my little family. And if you are from Jessica's channel, thank you so much for hanging. No one wants me to stop doing the video. Please. Okay, let me finish and then I'll be done, okay?
Actually, keep doing it.
Actually, I can keep doing it? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like this video. And if you're new with me, please consider subscribing. And my YouTube fam, please go and check out Jessica's channel. You are going to love her as much as I do. Let her know we sent you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.